Good morning. Here you can see the topic triangles. What I have found in school level children means I am talking about students of 10 plus 2, class 11 and 12 students. Okay, they are not means they always face problems in dealing with triangles. Okay, one noise is coming from outside. I think some program is going on, and that's why some noise is coming. Still, you won't have any problem. Triangles. Okay. So I'm just giving you one example. If you know each and everything about the triangles, then you don't need to memorize all the formulae of triangles to solve a given problem. Just minimum 2 to 4 formulae are required to solve all kinds of problems of triangles. That thing I want to say you. That message I want to convey to you. Okay. All the formulae, so many formulae are there. If you study the which part, class 11 mathematics, then you will find that there are so many formulae. Okay, so for that level, okay, it is required to remember all the formulae. But in your practical life, in your job or in your practical life or in your higher study, if you are a student of science, okay, then in that case, you need to deal with triangles. Especially I am talking about physics, mathematics, etc. like those subjects. So here in this lecture, I am just giving you one example. Same problem can be solved different ways. So whenever you are following books, okay, there you can find that a problem has been solved in different ways, and I think I must suggest you that you should go through all kinds of solutions. Then only there is a chance that you will get an expertise on triangles, and not only on triangles, for anything. If solved examples are given for a single problem, okay, in different ways, then you must go through all the ways, all the solution procedures. Okay, then only you will get a robust idea about that topic. Okay, now in this lecture, I am just giving you one example. Okay, one small example. So let us take one triangle. So I have taken this triangle ABC. Is that visible clearly? Okay, it is visible. So ABC is a triangle and opposite sides are denoted by a, small b and small c, and this is known to you, I think. Okay, if you are a student of class 11 or 12 or higher than that, then you know this thing. Okay. Now, for this given triangle, say this side length AB is given. AB, this is equal to, say, this is equal to 3 meter. AB, this length. And BC is also given. Say BC, this is equal to, say, 5 meter. Okay. BC is equal to 5 meter, AB is equal to 3 meter. And the angle ABC, this is how much? Angle ABC, this is equal to, let us take 30 degree. Okay. These are just arbitrary values. Okay. I just want to teach you the way I am going to solve this problem. So these are the things which are mentioned. This side length and this angle. These are mentioned. And now you are asked to find the length of the perpendicular from A on BC. So from A, if you draw the perpendicular, then that perpendicular becomes this one. Say this point of intersection is denoted by D. So our requirement is to find the value of AD. AD is perpendicular on BC. Okay, so how you will solve this problem? Now BC is known, it is 5 meter, but and AD is known, this is 3 meter, AD is not known. Okay, then how you will solve this given problem? Now see AD, this small triangle ABD, if you consider this a small triangle ABD, then you can see that this is a right angle triangle. This angle is the right angle. Then square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of this BD plus square of AD. Now AD is not known. Say AD is equal to H. Okay. And also BD is not known. BC is known, it is 5 meter, but BD is not known. Say BD, this length is equal to X. Okay. The length BD is equal to X. Then we can easily write from this triangle that AB square, this is equal to BD square plus AD square. Can you write AB square? Again I want to check. I need to check. Yes, that is visible. AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Now AB square how much? It is AB is 3. So in the next line I am writing 3 square. BD is how much? It was assumed to be X. And AD is how much? It is H. AD is H square. So here we are getting what? H square plus X square is equal to 9. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Next, you consider the triangle, the right side one, ADC. Okay. If you consider the triangle ADC, this triangle we are now considering, then AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. Then we can write AC square. AC square is equal to AD square. Okay. Plus CD square. Am I right? Once again I need to check. Yeah, that is the lowermost part. No, that portion is not visible, I think. Not visible. This portion is not visible. Okay, this portion, whatever I have written here, this is not visible clearly. So once again I need to write. Somewhere here I am writing. Okay. Somewhere here I am writing. What I have written there, for triangle ADC, we can easily write AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square, right? Then AC is how much? AC was not given. AC was not given. Okay, so AC square and AD is how much? This is H. And CD is how much? This is that 5 minus this X. So 5 minus X whole square. Now, question is how will go to solve for AD? Okay, so here AC should be known. Here H and X both are unknown. Here H and X unknown. But this angle was mentioned in the given problem. This angle was given to be 30 degree. This angle was given to be 30 degree. Since this angle was given, so by using this angle with the help of trigonometry, we can easily find out what? We can find out both H and X. We can easily find out, okay, since this angle was given. So actually you no need to write this equation and this equation. Okay, still, since you have already written all these things, then everything can be found out. Okay, everything can be found out, not find out, everything can be found out easily. This angle is 30 degree. So here for this triangle, H divided by this length is equal to how much? H divided by AC. H divided by, sorry, not AC, it is AB. H divided by AB, that is equal to sine 30 degree. Am I right? And sine 30 degree is how much? This is equal to half. Then H is equal to how much? Therefore, H is equal to half of AB. And AB was how much? AB was given to me 3 meter. So this becomes 1.5 meter. H is this much. X is how much? X divided by this. X divided by this. So x divided by AB is what? It is cos 30 degree, which is equal to root over of 3 by 2. Right? Then x is equal to how much? It is root over of 3 by 2, and AB is equal to how much? 3 meter. Okay, so 3 by 2 root 3 meter. Okay. Okay. Again, there is problem. Lowermost portion is not visible. Anyway, you can easily solve. Okay, since AB is known. Now here x is known. Here h is known. H is known this much. Now if we put the values of h and x here, you will get easily AC. Am I right? You will get easily AC. So our target was to find out only h, and that can be found out at the very beginning of the problem. Just h divided by this length is equal to sin 30 degree, and from there you can easily find out. But say if the given problem AC was asked, what is the value of AC? Then following this procedure you can easily find out the value of AC. Okay, and if any other thing is required to find out, say you are asked to find out other perpendiculars also, from B to this perpendicular, from C to this perpendicular, following the same procedure you can easily find out all the perpendiculars. Okay, so to find we want to find out other perpendiculars also. Say this perpendicular is how much? This is denoted by h1, and this perpendicular is denoted by h2. Okay, this was denoted by h, so this is h1, this one h1. Say this point is E and this point is F. Then just let me erase some part of this, otherwise I am not getting space to solve the given problem. Okay, so here what I can do is that first of all you find out the area of the triangle ABC. What is the area of the triangle ABC? Obviously that is equal to half into base into height. BC is how much? So that is equal to half into BC into height AD. Okay, BC is how much? BC was given to be 5 meter. So half into 5, and AD was how much? AD means H, and H was 1.5 meter or 3 by 2 meter. So better here write 3 by 2. So 15 by 4 meter. You just write this way, 15 by 4 meter. Square meter, not meter, square meter, since this is area of the triangle. 15 by 4 square meter. Then what is this height? Then considering this AB as the base, then that half base into this H1. Therefore half base is how much? Base is AB, that is 3 meter, and height is H1, this one, that is equal to area of the triangle, which is equal to 15 by 4. Right? So from here you can easily find out H1. Am I right? Similarly, H2 you can find out. Okay, H2. This is not H1, this is the value of H2. We have considered this one, H2. Okay, not H1. And here, this is not AD, this is CF. CF. Okay, CF is denoted by H2. Okay, similarly, here you can do this thing. Okay, here you can do this thing, that our now requirement is to find out H1. H1 is which one? This one is H1. Therefore, half into H1 into this AC. Okay, AC was known because H and X was known. H and X were known, so AC was known, okay, and this is equal to 15 by 4, that is area of the triangle. Since AC was known, then just you put the value of AC here, you will get H1. So what I have here shown you, I have shown you that easily, without committing into in your memory all the formulae, you can easily find out whatever is being asked in the question. Later I will show you many more things on the same topic, that is properties of triangles of higher secondary level or class 11, 12 level or class 10 plus 2 level. Okay. Anyway, I think I should end here. Okay. Okay. This is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.